everybody, I'm Chika and welcome to FabFitFun's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to walk you through our customized close-up. This is where you can see all the different choices, well, some of the different choices that our select members can make. So those of you that aren't select, make sure you go online and go to fabfitfun.com/upgrade so that way you'll be able to choose some of these amazing items. The first product we're going to look at is the Daily Concepts Daily Detox Brush. This is a product I was super excited to try. It's super cool dry brushing. It's such a new concept in the beauty world right now. And so it's so fun when I got to try it and see how it works for me. And you guys can try it and see how it works for you. So before I begin, I wanted to show you a bit more about this product. First, it has this great strap so you can put it on and get a good grip when you're using it. And these bristles are 100% natural, so good for the earth, good for everyone. And if you look closely, there's these little modules. And so that's gonna give you a really nice massage feeling. So it's not gonna be so rough. It's pretty easy to use. You just, use it in a circular motion, just kind of massaging, and it'll give you a good exfoliating feel. So after, you can use it before you shower or even in the shower to give you that really good scrub. I would definitely use it for, arms, body, what have you. You're just gonna come out feeling really smooth, really shiny, and just really invigorated. The next product we're gonna talk about is the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. I'm super excited about this because everybody needs a face cleanser, and this is actually a face cleanser that I would put in my beauty routine. I'm such a stickler. I haven't changed my facial soap in years and years, but this is something that really catches my attention because it works. It's not drying, it's not stripping. Most cleansers will leave your face feeling all cracked and you don't like it. This, you still feel refreshed, you feel smooth. It works on all skin types, which is awesome because I have combination skin. I'm dry in some points, oily in some points, but this works everywhere on my face, which is amazing. Also, it's probiotic, which is really cool. I don't see that in very many face cleansers. So, and we know that that's super good for you. You see all these probiotic products out in the market, so it's awesome to have one that's also a face cleanser. So that's super exciting. Typically, I don't use scented products, but this has a really great scent. I just love it. And also, I want to show you guys kind of what it looks like and how it feels. So as you can see, it comes out as a liquid, but as you use it, especially as you rub it into wet skin, it's gonna foam. So that's gonna give you that really kind of deep, cleaning, foam feel, which is it feels really good. I can't wait for you guys to try it. And the last product I'm so excited about, this is our fitness product, but most importantly, it's with Venus Williams, 5-time Wimbledon winner, definitely one of the biggest #girl bosses I've ever heard of, so super excited to finally try one of her products. So this is her jump rope by EleVen, that's her brand. The grips are super soft, so it's not gonna slip out or anything like that. It's pretty long, I think it's 9 feet long, so great for our tall members, but it's also really adjustable, so you can adjust it to your size. So it's something that everyone can really use and everyone can get a lot of joy out of. Thing I'm super excited about is when you log on to FabFitFun TV, Venus Williams is gonna be on there showing us all her different jump rope routines and how she works out and how we can work out like her. Because who doesn't wanna be like her? She's the best. So this is definitely gonna be one of my favorite products. If you guys choose it, I'm sure you're gonna love it too. So these are the 3 choices that select members can make. Make sure you go online by February 13th to make your choice. Before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and keep tuning in so you can see more videos like this. So I'll see you next time. Bye guys.